Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a duplicate layer and setting your view to 100% so you see true shine. Use spot healing or clone stamp to remove tiny specular highlights. You want to preserve surrounding texture. Once done, add a new empty layer set to soft light at 50% opacity for tonal adjustments. Make sure to sample skin or surface tones with the eyedropper so color shifts won't occur. This foundation prevents overcorrection later. Now you tackle texture and tonal balance using the healing brush and frequency separation. Create high and low frequency layers. The low stores color and tone, the high stores texture. Work on the low layer to even out bright highlights without disturbing pores or surface detail. On the high layer, clone and heal tiny specular spots only. Once done, lower the layer opacity and use a soft-edged mask to blend. Gradual strokes preserve realism and prevent a plasticky finish. Finish by creating a 50% gray layer set to overlay and subtly dodge and burn to restore depth. This refines contours and keeps the surface from looking flat. Make sure to check your result at multiple zoom levels and compare with the original. If you need to, reduce the overall opacity of corrective layers. If the texture appears oversmoothed, reveal high-frequency details from your texture layer or lower the low-frequency layer's opacity. This restores realism without
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.